Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kiersten. I do post videos every single week on all things beauty, and I would love to have you stick around. So before you leave, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Anyway, let's get started on today's video. So on today's video, I wanted to do another hair tutorial for you all. This is a look that I have been doing so much lately because it is so easy, it is so simple, it is so effortless, but it looks gorgeous. This is curling your hair with a flat iron. So if you want to see how to turn this into this, then just keep watching. First and foremost, what you want to do is get you a dry shampoo. This is necessary if your hair is not oily, not dirty. This adds more texture, especially if you are kind of fine and limp like I am. I'm using the Batiste dry shampoo. This one is the Hint with a Beautiful Brunette. This one is one of my favorites, and I do love the smell of it. You can purchase this one at Sally Beauty. And what you want to do is you want to spray where your hair is going to get really oily or where it lays down the flattest. For me, it's right here, here, and here. Those areas have to be sprayed and have to have a little bit more texture. As my heat protector, what I used before I did any of this is the Redken Pillow Proof. I love this stuff right here. It works wonderful and it helps my hair stay incredibly smooth. So what you want to do is you want to part your hair off into 3 sections. It's going to be 3 sections, but you want to part it off and leave a little bit down below and then just kind of clip up the rest of the hair. And how I like to do mine is I like to split it directly in the back and pull it forward. And how I like to do it, what always works best for me, is starting from the back and working my way to the front. That way you're not starting here, working back and fighting through the curls you've already done. It is just so much easier this way. Okay, and for the flat iron that I'm going to be using today to curl my hair is the Ion Touch Tech. This is what it looks like. This guy is so cool. I don't know if you can see down in here, but all you have to do is just run your finger by what temperature you want and it automatically sets it to that. Heats up so well. The top is nice and rounded, which is perfect for doing curls. That way it doesn't make them creasy or anything like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Now when doing this, you don't want a piece too small or a piece too little. I usually like to do pieces about this size right here. And when you are on this side, which is my left side, you wanna take, and then you wanna start curling away from the face. And then just constantly feed it through. It's slick, so it will come right out. There you go. Just wanna keep kind of feeding it through here. Just like that, and then you're gonna get that curl. Now I like to leave my curls in place until the very end, and then I spray them with hairspray and then just lightly comb them out. This kind of gives it that lazy look, that very just kind of messy, straight out of bed, day 2 curl kind of look. And these curls, for me anyway, hold up extremely well. I can wear them a couple of days. Usually on the second day, I only have to touch up a couple of pieces, but that's it. So now moving on to the right side of the face, you want to take it and then just start twisting it towards the back and then just kind of let it out. Just like so. And there you go. Now you're ready to move on to your second section. The same as the first, part your hair down the middle and then grab your furthest section back. Now with these pieces where they are a little longer, you don't want to do as much in them. Something like this right here works just well. So then you want to take it, and you don't have to curl away from the face if you don't like to. For me, I just prefer the way that curl looks when it's going back. Some people with real fine hair will kind of alternate their curls, one going forward, one going backward. Just really however you feel, whatever kind of curl you're in the mood for. For me, I just always like the way that it looks when they go back. I think that it is just the easiest most simple curl that you can do, and it just looks beautiful. Okay, so over here, just starting with my back piece right here, and then just taking my flat iron and then just curling away from the face, just like so. Now that that's done, you're ready to take down your top layer. And what I always like to do is I like to part it directly down the middle before I start curling it. To me, I think that this gives me the most body in my hair to work with. But if you prefer it to be parted one side to the other, by all means do that. For me, where my hair is so fine, this is just what works the best. So same as always, grabbing from the back, starting with one of those pieces, and then starting on my left side, just kind of curling it away from the face. If you are looking for a more fast, efficient way to curl your hair, then absolutely get you a nice flat iron. This one I did purchase at Sally Beauty. This is not a paid sponsorship, anything like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some hairspray. I'm using the Chi Enviro 54 hairspray. This one is in Natural Hold. This guy right here is my favorite, and where I told you I like these lazy curls, I like the Natural Hold. I do not like anything too strong, just because that will result in a tighter curl and just holding in place. And plus, I just don't like tight hairspray. I like something that has a very just loose hold. So that one is my favorite. Okay, so now that we have sprayed the hair, you just want to take a wide tooth comb. This one also was purchased at Sally Beauty, and you just kind of want to lightly comb through the more tighter curls and just kind of really mess it up and just make it look very lazy and very easy. But that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching how to get these big, effortless, voluminous curls, these lazy day kind of curls, only using a flat iron. And if you did enjoy it, be sure and give this video a huge thumbs up. It was so much fun to do and so much fun to just sit in front of the camera and show you all my kind of current hair routine as to how I style my hair. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my posts. Anyway, I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.